I started my job like the first day where we shut down the offices at Microsoft. That was like literally impossible for our field teams to go and meet a customer, or even to have a customer coming into Redmond to meet with us. So we basically had to say, hey, how do we do that now, right? Part of the criteria was not only how do I do pure whiteboard, but what we love within Klaxoon was also all the notion of, I don't know if gamification is part of the term, but definitely the engagement we could get out of Klaxoon. Once you've got all these ideas and you start to aggregate these ideas now and define what are the solutions that you want to have, now you can have people to start to vote on ideas and to start the interaction. And that's where Klaxoon has been super effective, right? So if you're looking at the way that you can easily vote on Klaxoon, what I really love is notion of question here. And you can see you don't need to prepare in advance. People are going to be able to do that exercise super easily. At the end of the day, what's great in terms of outcome is everything is documented. You can export all the results. Everything you have on that board here is available. Customer feedback has been pretty awesome. Just because it's been very often an eye-opener. Like there is ways to solve problems which might be more inclusive, if you will. We've been seeing an increase of our win rate as well.